Welcome back. In this challenge, we will implement a simple EC2 instance with some pre-installed packages. Utilize /root/terraform challenges/project citadel directory to store your Terraform configuration files. The interface of these challenges is divided into two parts. The top half contains the quiz portal where the details related to the challenge is displayed, and an interactive architecture diagram. Click on the icons and the arrow connectors in the architecture diagram, and an associated task, if available, will be displayed on the quiz portal. Amazon Web Services, AWS, provider have been configured already to interact with the many resources supported by AWS. Two, the bottom half of the interface contains the terminal to the Kubernetes control plane which you would use to complete the tasks. If you're visiting for the first time or haven't subscribed yet, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more posts. Keep learning. Configure Terraform and provider settings within provider. Kindly refer to blog and Git repo link given in description box. first run Terraform plan. Once validate look all good, then run Terraform apply to deploy. To validate if a task is complete, you can click on the check button. If complete, the icons in the architecture diagram will be highlighted in green. If something is yet to be completed, it will be highlighted in red. To complete the challenge, you must complete all the tasks.